Y'all ready to learn how to let it go and attract what you really, really want and deserve in your life, boo? This is the video for you. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Pizza and I create content that helps people manifest their best lives and be their highest selves. Today I'm going to be explaining letting go in very understandable, easy, simple terms. I'm going to be putting it into metaphors that anybody can understand, and when you leave this video you're gonna be like, wow, I have so much clarity. I'm ready to manifest what I want. I'm really excited. These metaphors that I'm gonna use I actually got from these two mentors that I look up to super much through their podcast. I look up to Charlie Rocket from the Charlie Rocket podcast show and Manifestation Babe, her podcast as well. I will link both of their podcasts down below, so you should totally check it out. It's gonna change your life completely. So the first metaphor is going to be, thanks to Manifestation Babe, I'm going to be using letting go in the metaphor of a relationship. So say you are in a relationship with somebody and you know you're gonna marry this person. They're your twin flame. The moment you meet them, you know you're gonna marry this person. However, you just started dating. So if you know you're gonna marry this person and you love this person so much, so deeply, you're fostering this relationship with them, even though you know that you're gonna end up marrying with this person and being with them forever, it's not like the third month of the relationship you're like, hey, like, when are you gonna give me my ring? No, of course you're not gonna do that, because you're gonna enjoy the process of falling in love, of being with that person, of enjoying that person's company, of learning what makes them tick and what makes them happy and all of that stuff. You're gonna enjoy the whole process. You're not gonna be 6 months into the relationship and be like, all right, so when are you gonna marry me? No, you wouldn't do that. So when we're doing this with our manifestations, letting go is in a form of just knowing it's gonna happen and releasing it and enjoying the process. So if you're trying to manifest a certain amount of money and you know that manifestation is yours, you know it's coming to you, then don't worry about it. Why would you worry about something that is coming to you? Because when you start to worry about something, you come from a vibration of lack and you kind of like stop your manifestation, and that's not what you're trying to do. So just use it in the example of a relationship with someone. If you know that you're going to marry this person you're in a relationship with, you're gonna take your time, and when the time comes, you're gonna get married and you're gonna manifest that. The second example of letting go, say that you are driving from a road trip from Texas to Colorado. It takes about 15 hours to get where you're going. So you get in the car and you know, I'm driving from Texas to Colorado. When this car trip is over, I will be from Texas in Colorado, even though it's gonna take you 15 hours. So mid-ride, are you like, oh my gosh, am I gonna make it to Colorado? I know the map says that, but am I gonna make it? This is taking so long. Am I really gonna make it to Colorado? No, you don't start to wonder that. You're just like, I'm driving from Texas to Colorado. Like, that's what I'm gonna do. So you don't even worry about it. You don't even freak out about it. And that's what letting go is in manifestation. It's like, I see my end goal and I understand the law of action, the actions that I need to take to get there, and I understand the mindset I have to have and maintain to get there as well. And you hold on to that manifestation, you hold on to that action, to that mindset, and you know that end goal is coming. Why would you worry about it if it's gonna come? That's what letting go is like, knowing that the end goal is over there and it is gonna take some time. However, like, it's gonna be yours. You're gonna end up marrying that person. You're gonna end up manifesting that amount of money. You're gonna end up getting to Colorado from Texas. You see what I mean? You're going to end up at your end goal. So let it go. Like just see the bigger picture and find techniques to rest your mind and know that it's coming. So those are two metaphors that explain letting go in simple terms. I love you so much. I hope this helped. Leave any questions you have down below. Any video suggestions you have down below as well. I will happily talk about that. I love you so much. Bye.